Welcome to another NUCIDA video session to get more familiar with AskUI Studio. Give us a thumbs up if you like this content and want to see more videos on this topic. In terms of any questions, please leave a comment. Our QA experts will answer your questions soon, or we will produce a new video to explain the requested topic. We are excited to share the latest updates for AskUI Studio and the AskUI NPM package. These updates include new features, bug fixes, and enhancements to make your AskUI experience even more convenient. Here is an overview of the recent updates. Instruction completion, AskUI Studio. We have updated features in AskUI Studio that leads to instruction completion. This feature will help streamline your workflow and improve your productivity. Interactive CLI. We have introduced an interactive CLI in the AskUI NPM package. In our latest version, you can use the seamless and intuitive command line interface to simplify the setup process for your AskUI project. Annotate function for comprehensive debugging. To enhance the debugging capabilities of AskUI, we have introduced a new feature to the Annotate function. This feature allows you to highlight single elements for more comprehensive debugging. Adjustable similarity filtering for text elements. We have added a new feature that allows you to adjust the similarity filtering for text elements. This enhancement provides more flexibility in filtering and improves the accuracy of text-based operations. Enhanced matching filter for textual descriptions. With the latest version of AskUI, we have enhanced our matching filter. This filter allows you to filter elements based on textual descriptions, enhancing the search and filtering capabilities. Reporter, integrations platform. We have introduced a new feature to the reporting system of AskUI. Aiming to provide more flexibility mainly for enterprise applications, it provides enhanced adaptability and usability. Now, I would like to delve into the details concerning the latest features and improvements of our new AskUI Studio version 0.13.1. First things first, we have improved the auto-suggestion for the available commands. Now, as you type in the instruction input field, you will see the next available commands suggested in a list, and after you finish an instruction, the instruction will be labeled as complete so that you know that the written instruction is valid. You can now input arguments directly after choosing a command. This will help you to have a more fluent and rapid workflow within AskUI Studio. The entire API, including frequently requested features like the wait for command, is now accessible in AskUI Studio. Besides that, we have optimized our AskUI NPM package. The interactive command line interface feature simplifies the setup process for the AskUI project, making it easier and more accessible. Here is a quick how to use for you. 1. Enter npx AskUI at latest init into the terminal and press enter. 2. Answer the series of prompted questions like preferred framework, for example Jest, workspace ID, access token, as well as proxy usage, and decide the option to add or overwrite the tsconfig JSON file. 3. After entering these parameters, the CLI will automatically detect the operating system, copy project files, install the AskUI dependency, set up the test framework, copy slint config files, add user credentials, and write AskUI config. Please keep in mind that the proxy installation is a manual process, despite the log indications. The AskUI NPM package is available for free, so you can check it out now. Please find the link in the comments below to get access to our new package. This update introduces an optional annotation request parameter to the Annotate method, allowing you to annotate specific elements retrieved from the user interface by the get method. Please find the link in the comments below to get access to our updated API documentation. Here is a quick how to use. 1. Use the get method to retrieve elements. 2. Pass the annotation request parameter to specify which elements to annotate. 3. Execute the annotation command as shown in the provided example. The update introduces an optional similarity score parameter for the withText method, allowing users to define a custom similarity threshold for text matching, enhancing precision and control in text-based searches. We use RapidFuzz to calculate the mentioned similarity of the texts. The matching feature introduces a method to filter and interact with user interface elements based on a description in natural language. Please find the link in the comments below to get access to our updated API documentation. Here is a quick example of the matching function. I would like to explain the most vital characteristics and hints how to use that function. The matching function recognizes color, famous company or product names, and general visual characteristics of elements. The description should be as detailed as possible, including color, notable logos, and general appearance. The feature's ability to accurately identify elements is highly dependent on the specificity and accuracy of the textual description. There may be inconsistencies in recognizing less distinct or unique elements. As an experimental feature, it may not always work as expected and could require multiple attempts to find the right description. With the latest version of AskUI package, you can now integrate the test result report of AskUI into your existing workflows. This platform significantly streamlines the process of integrating AskUI with various reporting tools. In case you are working for an enterprise application, this feature will allow you to seamlessly incorporate automation results into your existing workflows. It offers a more personalized and efficient reporting experience, tailored to the specific needs of each enterprise environment. Please find the link in the comments below to get access to our GitHub repository. I hope this video helps you understand AskUI Studio, the leading AI-based test and process automation system. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our QA experts will answer your questions soon, or we will produce a new video to explain the requested topic. Please take advantage of our other videos. See you next time.